Looks like someone needs my help. Well, you need to learn how to install a ceiling fan properly. Let me show you how. 1. Is the safety wire fixed? Use the correct pipe that supplies the safety wire. Then use the correct safety wire dressing and ensure that the safety wire is assembled the right way. Check out the difference. 2. Did you fix the cutoff safety device? Please check the location of the cutoff safety device. When there's an abnormal wobbling, the lever will detach from the cutoff safety device. The fan will stop, preventing it from continuing wobbling, which will cause a drop. 3. Have you fixed the safety hook? In case of fatigue of materials, blade shape deformation caused by constant direct strong airflow, the blades may fall off if they're not installed and locked with the safety hooks properly. The safety hook assembles and locks the blades. Well, this may save you in the future. So, take note of 3 main things while installing a ceiling fan. Visit Panasonic website to find out more on the proper installation of ceiling fans. Panasonic ceiling fans are approved by accredited test labs.